Okay, so the other thing that I promised I would do is show you about hiring an SEO expert. Essentially, it's the same as when we took a look at the logo. Same places to go. Fiverr would be the place, and Odesk as well. So just remember, I'll point out the obvious things here. Let's just see if we can find one. SEO Shopify. Let's see, we're bound to have some on here. And so, you know, there's only one top rated seller here. So this is tip number one. Let's pick level 1 as well, otherwise we're only going to have one. Premium Shopify descriptions, Shopify SEO experts. I will design your Shopify website SEO. AliExpress, I will fix your Shopify website. Just be very careful who you hire. Check out their reviews. I will boost your homepage. Site speed. You know, these guys know about SEO. Like I say, I really know very little about SEO, so I'm not the person to give you advice, but I can show you where you can get advice. Upwork, oh, looks like Upwork's down. So if you remember before from the logo videos, post up your job on Upwork. You'll get you will find much better quality of work on Upwork. You'll also find sharks on Upwork. So best thing to do is start your job posting with something really random. I use the words blue bananas, so tell them to reply to the job with blue bananas. Don't just hire the first person. Conduct a brief interview on Skype with them. Make sure you look at their testimonials and feedback, and then you can hire the right person from there. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.